Hi, good morning everybody. Again, it's Coach Reyes in Houston, and we're back with lesson 3. And today what we're going to talk about is fundamentals for the backhand groundstroke. Okay, we've already covered the forehand groundstroke, and we've covered a little bit of the footwork. So anyway, I'm going to give you an overview. What we'll do today is, as always, we begin with our warm-ups. Okay, and you know the formula. If you don't remember the formula, it's always going to be 3 different stretches, whichever you prefer. 3 different stretches, done 3 times each, held for 15 seconds. And I need to stress to you, when you play in tennis, it's a sport that does require a lot of agility, a lot of flexibility. So the stretching and the warm-ups are key. Okay. A brief overview of what we're going to talk about today. Number 1, we're going to review the racket handling. Okay, because by now, after 2 lessons, if you've worked on those, you ought to be realizing how quickly it improves your technique, or your swing, your strength, and your endurance in your wrist, the strength of your wrist, and whatnot. So we will be going back over the racket handling. Demonstrate that again with the racket handling drills that we talked about in the first lessons. We're going to review a little bit of the anatomy of the racket, because it is so key in the backhand. And I want you to kind of look, if you remember, we talked about the cap. And today, with the backhand swing, it actually is a key for me in the way I deliver the instruction to new students. Of course, we're going to talk about the footwork again, because it's key also. And we're going to remember the word opposites, like we talked about in the first lesson, second lesson. But we'll review those slightly. Then, without further ado, we'll deliver instruction.